Meaning of indestructible.
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 Indestructible. The word indestructible refers to something that is unable to be destroyed or broken. When we say that something is indestructible, it means that it is incredibly resilient and can withstand a great deal of force and damage without being compromised. This quality can be seen in a variety of materials, from steel to diamond. It can also pertain to people who have a strong will and are able to persevere through challenging circumstances without giving up or losing hope. Overall, indestructibility implies an impressive level of strength and durability.